Welcome to our Eden Homestead update. My name is Don Blizzard and welcome to our homestead. Just wanted to introduce you. Here's an update for our flock. Our birds are doing great. As you can see, we put out a video when they were in the chick brooder. Now they're almost completely grown up. Right now we just recently have changed out their feeds, and they were on chick starter, and we had them since January 1st. These are one-day-old chicks, and now as you can see they're getting much bigger. So they're doing great. We've got two roosters we discovered. One, this guy over here, this good-looking one, and of course Big Red right here. And we're very fortunate. We had three roosters. We gave away one of them because of his disposition. He was pretty ornery, so we got him out of there. We have two. One is our Easter egger, and of course our Rhode Island Red. And these are our Australorps here. These are great little girls, and of course our barred rock birds as well. So we've got a few varieties in here, and very soon we expect to be giving an update as these hens begin laying. So we're going to have plenty of eggs here on the homestead, and we'll also share with you a new update that we've got here, something that's very special I want to show you. So I'll show you right now. Because of the light, it's hard to get in front of the camera, but check this out. This is our greenhouse. So we've set up a greenhouse here for growing, and it's going to be very, very exciting. We're going to be growing a bunch of different fruits and vegetables, and we are very excited about the project. And things are going pretty well here. I'm going to show you just a few of our plants out here that are growing that we've set up since our last time. So check it out. Check out the size of our Moringa tree. We planted this thing from seed. It's got a good girth on it now. It's really growing well. We're so happy. My wife's already harvesting moringa leaves and we're drying them out. They call the moringa the miracle tree because this tree, these leaves have so much nutrition in them, and my understanding, you can use every part of the plant, even the roots. And the seed, typically they use I thought that was a bug. They use to purify water with. But we've got more protein in this than chicken. We've got more calcium than eggs, more vitamin C than oranges, more beta carotene than carrots. So we just eat the leaves. So my wife come out here once in a while, and what we do is we go and we pick off these leaves and we graze. So it's really good, and really looking forward to it. And I understand the flowers on the moringa taste really good. Looks like these are actually dying out, so we can even eat the flowers. Nice. There's a little bit of sweet to them. So that's our moringa, our mighty moringa tree. Check out our Huamoa banana tree and our sugar cane. These are starting to grow now. We've had a kind of a cool winter. We had some warmth in the spring. It warmed up, but then it got cool again, then it warmed up again, and then it got cool again. So we're in a cold pattern right now. Things cooled off yesterday. In fact, we got some rain. It was much badly needed. It's been very dry here in Florida. But the wood chips have retained a lot of the moisture, so these plants appear to be doing pretty well. But I suspect with the warmer temperatures coming that we're going to get a lot of growth, and it'll be great. But our Huamoa banana tree, this produces 1 pound bananas, which are very, very girthy, but I understand are very tasty. And behind that is our sugar cane tree plant. We got the reeds growing, and these leaves are very, very sharp. I never realized it, but if you were to walk or run through a sugarcane field with clothing on, these leaves alone could actually cut through your clothing. It's pretty amazing, but I never knew that about sugarcane. We're learning a lot down here. Definitely want to wear a lot of clothing if you're out harvesting this stuff with a machete and a pair of gloves so that you can get the leaves off. But we're going to be picking up a sugarcane juicer in the future. We'll be featuring sugarcane juice here at the Eden Homestead. That'll be a drink that we'll be offering. It'll be something very exciting, and we're really looking forward to it. So next, let's show you our ice cream banana tree. And here's our ice cream banana and its pup. In fact, this pup came out recently, and it's growing more shoots every day. We've got more leaves forming, and this is doing very well. My understanding is this will be one of the taller of the banana trees. I suspect 14 to 16 feet. I could be wrong, but on the ice cream banana, this is a very hardy banana tree. So we're looking forward, maybe by the fall, of seeing a rack form on this, where we'll start bringing in bananas. So that'd be pretty exciting. We'll also be offering those as part of the food offerings here at the Eden Homestead. Check it out. Nice. Just look at the beautiful abundance we have here on our mulberry plant. This is an ever-bearing mulberry. This is a dwarf. And this thing is just incredible. I am so happy we planted this. My wife tried mulberries for the first time recently, and she was just like a little girl trying this stuff out. Just look at the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful abundance on these branches. Let me show you how amazingly abundant this tree is. What we had done, and I speak over my plants as I plant them, but we put this tree in, and I believe this tree will be like a mother in the garden here in the food forest. It's going to be a progenitor, a creator of many, actually a mother of many mulberries. I took just one branch off this mulberry tree and I stuck it in the ground, and literally within 2 months the branch itself began bearing fruit. I mean, I am just amazed. So we're so thrilled with the mulberry. Is that crazy or what? Check that out. This is just simply a single branch stuck in the wood chips. Already, as you can see, look at that. It's got fruit. It's bearing fruit, and I mean within a short amount of time. I'm just blown away. I don't think that the mulberry is going to be anything but abundant and amazing. Love mulberries. So I think you're going to see many of these now in our food forest. Just sticking a branch in the ground and watching it bear fruit is quite incredible. That's not the only one. I've got another one over here I'll show you. Check it out. Here's another one. Check this out. I mean, it's got fruit right on there, as you can see. I am just totally blown away at how this plant can just sticking a branch right in the ground, how it will produce. Some trees are more conducive for cuttings. Well, the good news is the mulberry, the delicious mulberry, is one of them. Check this one out. It's doing really well. It's extremely healthy. This here is our Mexican sunflower. And as you can see, this thing is just bushing out. I heard that the Mexican sunflower is phenomenal for nitrogen. So we want to get a number of these up and running. We want to get them as tall as possible. We'll take cuttings and different things from them, and we'll be propagating these around the property. These are great for chop and drop. You just chop these, drop them on the wood chips. I heard that these are as good as, literally as good as using fertilizer, like animal fertilizer. But this is a plant form, so we don't have the contaminants that we get from a horse manure or cow manure, but we're getting as much nitrogen. So I'm very excited about this plant going in. So you will see a number of these springing up here at the Eden Homestead. You can become part of this project down here in Florida. And here's how you can do it. We're setting up in this area a bunch of perennial fruiting trees, many trees which we'll never get to sit in the shade of. What we're building down here is a living legacy and a testament to God's goodness. And if you'd like to be part of this project, you could help us by ordering us a fruit tree. You could pick whatever you like. There's a website here locally in Florida. It's called A Tree For Me. That's with the number 4. That's ATREE, the number 4, me.com. You could go on their website, order a tree, tell them in the comments category that it's for the Acts 2 School Eden Homestead project with Don Blizzard, and they'll notify us and we can pick it up. And as we get the tree planted, we'll feature you in one of the videos, and you could come down here and check the progress on your living legacy. And your tree will bless many who come here. We're using this school to teach about God's resources and how good stewardship over them can yield an incredible abundance in your life. Not just for your family, but also for your community as well. And that's what we're geared toward down here. We really want to build our community. And that's all what we're about down here at Eden Homestead. So we'd like you to be part of that. We'll see you soon. Thank you so much. God bless you.